Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. Welcome to today's beautiful recipe, which is an exclusive to my cookbook, and it is my pancetta and rosemary mashed potatoes, and it works so well with my roast beef recipe. Of course, you can serve this at any time over the festive season. It's really nice and easy and tastes so good. So we start off nice and easy with our potatoes in the bottom of the pot here, cover them in stock and get them onto pressure cook. Pressure's just been released and I can now slide across and open up the lid. And we have the most beautiful tender potatoes. As you can see, they're still holding together, but they are so tender, they are going to mash so easily. So I'm going to go and drain those and I'll be back. You can mash these in the traditional way or you can put them through a sieve. So they are really lovely and soft. I've just got a silicone spatula here. And it just makes a really fine mashed potato if you do it this way, and it just avoids any lumps whatsoever. There are different potato mashers you can buy, but most people have a sieve. So you can see from the other side what we're getting is a very fine mash. I'm going to do the rest of these and then I will show you what they look like when they're done. So this is what your mash is going to look like, and how beautifully smooth is that. Of course, like I said, you don't have to do it this way, but I think it's Christmas. You can definitely make this a little bit ahead of time as well. Oh, look at that mashed potato. And we haven't even put anything in that. Remember, that is just the potatoes cooked in the stock, but the stock does add so much flavour. I like a good amount of salt in my potato to really season that. I'm using a little bit of black pepper. If you don't like the flecks in it, then of course you can use white pepper or leave it out, but I don't mind. Now let's make this really rich and indulgent by adding a splash of cream. Oh yes. And that definitely loosens it up a little bit by adding that cream. And now it's nicely seasoned as well. Oh yes, look at that. Whilst it's still warm, I also like to add in my cheeses. This right now is a very gorgeous cheesy mashed potato, but we're going to take this one step further, and that's when we come back to using the Ninja Foodi. So I'm still using the pot that we cooked the potatoes in. That's why it looks a little bit grubby around the edge, but it's absolutely fine. It's only have potatoes in it. Let's go on to sear and saute. And this wouldn't be my pancetta and rosemary mash without the pancetta, would it? In it goes. We're on sear and saute. I will add a tiny bit of spray oil just to help it along its way. And I'm going to add in some rosemary. So now I've got my pancetta and rosemary so that it is beautifully crispy and that fat has rendered down. I'm going to put some of it in now. Probably going to notice I didn't put butter into my mash. If you want to put butter in, you can, but we've got the fat running through that bacon that's in here, and we have got some cream in there as well, and that cheese. So for me, I don't feel like it needs the butter, but you know, definitely can put butter in it. And we are still not done. There are still a few extras to go on top of this that make it so delicious for Christmas. And my very last optional extra is some hot honey drizzled, oh my goodness, over the top of this beautiful dish. So I've managed to get that nice and high up because that's obviously going to make it so much easier and quicker for grilling. I've got the rack in there inverted, so upside down, just to give me some height. And luckily this little pie dish that I'm using fits on here, an absolute treat. That is on my accessories page, by the way. There's a link to this on Amazon. It's really inexpensive. I think it's around a £5 when I bought it. So yeah, go and check that out on my website if that is of interest to you. Let's get the lid down and let's grill this. That looks perfect for me. My cheese is nice and melted. We've got a tiny bit of colour on there. Didn't take very long to grill at all. The Ninja grill is so powerful. That is my beautiful pancetta and rosemary mashed potato made extra special for Christmas. And don't forget that the full recipe is in my brand new Christmas Ninja Foodi cookbook.